Welcome to Bingham University ICT screencast series. In this video, we are going to walk you through how to use the applicant registration portal. The assumption here is that you've already obtained a PIN from one of the banks as listed on the website and you're ready to activate and continue with your registration. The first thing you do is you visit the website. The URL is shown below. The page is going to look like this. This is the welcome page and you'll be greeted with a username and a password field. This assumes you already have a username and a password, but in your case, you will have to activate or sign up with your new PIN to get your username and password. Click on sign up here, or you can click on activate your PIN below. Once on the sign up page, fill the details as appropriate. Ensure you provide a valid email address because the credentials will be sent to your email, and also ensure you specify a valid GSM number in this format because your credentials will also be sent to your GSM phone. Enter the PIN as provided. Select the bank you've made the payment to. For the teller, enter the teller number as stated on the teller slip you have. Click sign up. Once the sign up has been successful, you are greeted with this success message. Your username and password is shown below, and an email has been sent to your email address and the GSM number you provided. Copy the username and password and ensure you keep them in a safe place. Once you are through, click on login to continue your registration. You are now returned to the username and password field. You enter the username as provided in the email or on the screen, the previous screen. So just to show you the email, I have a demo email set up. You should by now have an SMS from the automated notification system. Here you can see the applicant's portal login credentials, and you can see you have the same credentials as the previous page, and you have the link to the admission page. Provide the username and the password as stated. Now if this is going to be your personal PC or a PC that you trust, then you can go ahead and check the box that says remember my login. Otherwise, leave it blank. Click login. Once successful, you'll be greeted with the dashboard. This is what the dashboard looks like. Your name, your username and a form number, and then the status of your registration. At the moment, the registration is incomplete because we have not filled any form online. This would be a good idea to actually stop and change your password. So to change your password, click on change password. Enter the current password as shown in the email. This would be the current password. And also provide a new password. Click save to effect the changes. And here you have a message that says it has been changed successfully. Log out. And enter the username again. And enter the password you just set. So this should log you back in and you still go back to your dashboard. So the first thing you do is you click on each of these links to download the forms as appropriate. And once you download the form, you're requested to save it, and you do that for the 4. And once you're done downloading the forms, click on registration forms, this tab. While at the registration forms section, the sections are marked as A, B, and C, so you feel as appropriate. Click on personal information. You should have some of the information you provided earlier during the sign up, like your surname, your first name, and your email, GSM number. Make the necessary changes and ensure you provide valid credentials, as this is key to scrutinizing your records in Bingham University. All the field marks marked with the red asterisks are required. Select your state of origin. If your religion is Christianity, or if you're a Christian, then leave this box as is and provide a pastor's name. Select the denomination. So denomination will be if you're a Protestant, Catholic, Anglican, Seventh-day Adventist, and so on. Select the marital status. If you are a married woman, then you are expected to provide your maiden name and then any other name, which will be your former names. If you have been expelled, suspended, or denied admission before, then check the box as appropriate and specify the reasons. Once you're done, click Save. You should see the check mark next to the section. This means you've successfully filled that section of the form. Click on Educational Information. Click on Add Institutions to provide institutions attended with dates. Specify or provide the institution name, the year of graduation, and the qualification obtained, and click Add. Go ahead and add as many as possible. And you have a maximum of 4. So once you're satisfied with the entry for institutions, click Finish, and you'll be returned to the educational information section. If you scroll down, you will see the information you provided earlier. So go ahead and click on Add Results to provide your O-level results. Specify your JAM number or your examination number. Select the subjects, select the grades, and click Add. Repeat this until you've entered all the necessary subjects and grade that you have. Just going to do one more. Once you're done, click Finish to go back to the previous educational information section. If you scroll down, you see the results you provided with your appropriate grades. For first choice, select the program you would like to study. And second choice, also select the program you would like to study in an event you don't get placement into the first choice. You are expected to provide a JAM number. Now, it is a common practice that some of you might not have the JAM score already. You might be awaiting results, but the assumption is you already have a JAM number and then you're supposed to provide it. So if you don't have a JAM score yet, or your result is still you're still awaiting result, then go ahead and check this box. If not, specify the score as required. Once you're done with this, click Save. Next, go to parent, guardian, and sponsor information. Fill in the details for your parent. Select the relationship you have with the parent. Provide their valid GSM phone number. The email address is optional of your parent. Occupation of your parent. Now if your parent is also your sponsor, then go ahead and check the same as above checkbox. Otherwise, specify the information about your sponsor. Once you're done, click save. Now you've completed the forms. You're expected to go ahead and upload the passport, photograph, and any supporting documents. So supporting documents will include scanned copies of your WAEC, JAMB, NECO, or any other supporting documents. Upload the passport, click choose file. Navigate to any passport photograph you have and click upload. You should see a preview of the passport that you've uploaded. Once you're done, you can go ahead and choose the documents if you have any, and choose any supporting documents as required. So it can be a PDF file, or it can just be an image that you scan. You can see the file has been uploaded. So click back to forms to go back to the forms section, and immediately you notice the registration status for the form is complete. At this stage, you can go ahead and click on print completed forms, or you can also view and edit the file, the supporting document you've uploaded. In this case, you can view or delete the file. So click back to forms, or click print completed forms. Once you click print completed forms, this is the preview of the form that you filled. All the details you provided will be displayed. So once satisfied, you're expected to print this and fix a date and sign, and take this to your former school's principal or head to specify or fill this information with a valid stamp. So hopefully the process was not too complex. If you have any problem, any question, please don't hesitate to contact us in the address below as shown, and we'll try our best to reply as quick as possible and to solve you and help make the experience better. So other parts of the portal will include the link to the university's website and a link to the registration guide. So this will also contain the video you're watching right now and a PDF version showing you all the steps or the outline. Once you're done, click log out and proceed to the university to make your submissions. So hopefully this has been useful, and we hope you enjoy it. And if you have any modification, any errata, or any update you want us to do or have, then please contact us in the email address and the phone numbers provided below. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.